So kids, Christmas has arrived again. RSV4 Super Sport Kit from Catalyst Composite from AF1. Yay! Oh yeah. Sweet. So let's see what is in here. Fender. This is getting paint today, just so testing the paint that I bought. I bought flat black, and I ordered something that has black with metal, but it doesn't say if it was flat. But I ordered it anyway to see how it will match with my black tank. There's the body work. Believe it or not, this is my second set. I had one before and I sold it because reason, when I put it on my regular RSV4, the yellow one, the front and headlight actually was not so bad, but putting the tail putting is fine. Taking apart the OEM tail, there was a pain in the ass. That was like, just that took me an hour and change to do that. I said, forget it, I ain't doing that. For every other track day back then, I had my full dedicated track bike. So I'm like, forget it. So I sold it. If I knew I was gonna get another RSV4, I would have kept it. There you go. So that way I can use my OEM tail. Oh my god, this one is nice. It's almost like a finished paint job. It's so nice, man. Yes. This is a light scrub. Light scrub. Let's take a picture. Hey, madre dica. Yay. All right. There you go. Wow, this is nice. This is nice. Nothing else here? Nope. I'm looking for another decal. Alright, anyways, let's go back in here, because this is gonna get used someday. I hope not, but whatever. I just mounted. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do is drill the tail. Right? Let's drill that tail. I'm not touching with greasy hands. Okay, so it's gonna be a little too big. Put one smaller. Like that there. Yep, this should be good. Make sure this is nice and tight. Yep, it's good. This is a pilot hole because obviously I'm going to need it bigger for my bolts to go there. They're about 5 millimeters. So this is the pilot hole, not the actual hole. Okay, I'm gonna make it a little bigger. Then I'm gonna go this size. Let's go this one. We're gonna use the same bolts that were going there. We're gonna need the other one, I think. Okay. Okay. And that's why you want to make it smaller by little by little. Okay, so I was able to drill it out. I want to just play around with it here a little bit. Don't worry, it's going to crack a little bit. underneath that. It's okay. Okay. Yep. Just little by little. Because when anything get caught. Yep. There you go. Careful with the tank, right? Let's see if it's going here. Of course not. Something here got caught. Gosh. Okay. That means I have to move this out and push it in, right? This thing got caught, alright. Over. Okay, so tail's on. So now we're gonna do the belly pin. Up with this and this. Then we go to the big one. That one. Let's go easy. Okay. Okay. This one, I'm going to put a little one. Just this one. What do you got for me, sir? Come on, man. Say hi to YouTube.
There's pictures. Please do not bend.
It's a decal, actually.
Huh?
It's a decal.
You lost something, I don't know. You amaze me. So I said,
Say hi to the YouTube world,
I
man.
sat there and looked at it. I said, this guy's unbelievable. None of the girls get shit. You are the only one. You are funny, you know that?
No, I'm not.
That's unbelievable.
They get more shit than I do, man.
No.
You kidding?
Not from me.
Yeah, well, not from you. Yeah,
80%
yeah.
of the stuff is for you.
No, you know why? Because they go pick it up themselves, man. You know, they go to the stores, Macy's, you know where. See you later, bro. Oh, listen. More goodies, goodies. Yay. Alright, so now let's fit tail, see what happens, right? Now the upper. Okay. Fiberglass got into the windpipe. We're just gonna tap the top one.